What is the rule of law? What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens? Name one right only for United States citizens. What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen? What are two ways that Americans can participate in their democracy? When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms? When must all men register for the Selective Service? The rule of law means that everyone must follow the law, including citizens, leaders, and other government officials. As a U.S. citizen, you have the responsibility to serve on a jury when asked and to vote in federal elections. Some of the promises citizens have to make are to obey the laws of the United States and to defend the Constitution. Citizens also have to serve in the U.S. military if needed. April 15th is the last day to file your federal income taxes each year. All men who are between the ages of 18 and 26 must register for the Selective Service. The Selective Service is a list of men's names that the government keeps in case the military needs extra help. What is the rule of law? Everyone must follow the law. Leaders must obey the law. Government must obey the law. No one is above the law. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens? To serve on a jury, to vote in a federal election. Name one right only for United States citizens. To vote in a federal election or to run for federal office. What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen? To give up loyalty to other countries, to defend the Constitution and laws of the United States, obey the laws of the United States, serve in the U.S. military if needed, serve to do important work for the nation if needed, be loyal to the United States. What are two ways that Americans can participate in their democracy? Vote, join a political party, help with a campaign, join a civic group, join a community group, give an elected official your opinion on an issue, call senators and representatives, publicly support or oppose an issue or policy, run for office, write to a newspaper? When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms? April 15th. When must all men register for the Selective Service? At age 18 or between the ages of 18 and 26.